What is the Uniform Interstate Family Support Act for child support? Imagine trying to collect child support when parents live in different states. It can be confusing and frustrating without a clear system. That's where the Uniform Interstate Family Support Act comes in. This law helps make child support cases easier when parents are in different states. Before this law, parents could sometimes avoid paying support by moving to a state with different rules. This law makes sure all states follow the same basic rules for setting, enforcing, and changing child support orders across state lines. The law gives the state where the child support order was first made what is called continuing exclusive jurisdiction. This means only that state's court can change the order unless everyone involved no longer lives there. This rule stops parents from trying to get a new order in a different state just because they want a more favorable one. It keeps things simple and fair by sticking to one court. A common mistake is not knowing which state's court has the power to change a child support order. Some parents think they can go to their new local court to ask for a change, but UIFSA says only the original court can do that, unless certain conditions are met. Trying to change the order in the wrong state can cause delays and extra legal costs. It might even lead to the new order being rejected. Another mistake is not registering the child support order in the new state where the paying parent now lives. UIFSA allows a parent to send the order to the other state's court for enforcement. For example, if the paying parent moves and stops paying, the other parent can ask the new state's court to enforce the order. This could mean garnishing wages or other methods to collect support. Not registering the order can make it harder to get the support paid. UIFSA also makes it easier to enforce child support across state lines by allowing direct income withholding. This means a court can order an employer in another state to take child support payments directly from the paying parent's paycheck. Some parents think they need to start a new case in the other state to do this, but UIFSA simplifies the process. Parents often forget to keep good records of all child support orders and payments, especially if there are multiple orders. UIFSA says only one order is valid at a time, called the controlling order. If there are multiple orders, the court must decide which one controls. Not knowing which order is valid can cause confusion and legal problems. To avoid these mistakes, parents should always check which state's court has jurisdiction before trying to change a child support order. They should register the order in the new state if the paying parent moves. Using UIFSA's enforcement tools like income withholding can help ensure support is paid on time. Keeping clear records of all orders and payments is also very important. In short, UIFSA creates a uniform system for handling child support across state lines. But parents need to understand how it works to avoid common legal mistakes. Knowing which court has authority, registering orders properly, and using enforcement tools can help make sure child support gets paid, no matter where the parents live.